Hello, what's up guys? It's me again, Mahmoud. So as you see, we got this Volkswagen Jetta. So it has some problem from the engine, and the engine light on, and the APC is working when you push the acceleration. Okay, the car is not going that smooth, and it's jerking, idling, these things. So as you guys see, we scanned that car. As you see, here's a cylinder 1 misfire dedicated, and it's passive. So we gotta follow that, and these are just came in, and we're gonna check these codes too as well, but the specific this code cylinder 1. So we will check the the injector and the coil and the plug. Okay, so I'll pause for you guys. So we back here. So as you guys see, it's the cylinder 1. Okay, can you see it's blocked? It's all dusty shit. Okay, it's so awful. And the second is the second. Okay, and this the others, and we already checked the plug is in the same, in the bad situation, and we will clean the thermostat, throttle. Okay, and please like me and subscribe me, and thanks so much for watching. Peace.